I love my job. I love the people that I work with. I enjoy the patients that I work with.
You can be the best version of yourself here. You can be the nurse you want to be, and you can see every day the difference that you're making.
I personally took this job sight unseen. I was supposed to tour during COVID, and then COVID hit and I couldn't. And I was a patient here first, and I knew this is where I wanted to work.
Obviously, Magnet is a draw, but that constant improvement, looking to better ourselves all the time. We're not really trying to compete with the other competitors in the state. We're trying to compete with ourselves.
Once I learned what Magnet actually meant, it made me really proud to work here because it reflects on the nursing care, and that's great. You know, it makes me proud to come here every day and work in a Magnet hospital and contribute to that culture.
It's a welcoming culture, and it's a culture of growth and teamwork and unity.
When I come here, I walk through the doors and there's an air of positivity here. People say hi to each other in the hallway.
I feel that Middlesex really values you as a person, but also you as in your role here.
You are empowered and encouraged to work to the top of your license, to drive patient outcomes.
You're having trouble doing your job and there's something that is lacking, leadership supports you and they say, hey, what can I do to make your job easier? What can I do to make this better for you and for patients?
Our CNO and our CFO, they come and they do rounding. We have the leadership rounding. We meet people. They introduce themselves. They say hi. They ask, what can I do better? What can we do better as a hospital? And they listen to you.
Middlesex Health is unique because of the fact that it's a smaller community hospital.
I think some people think small community hospital means not providing opportunities the same as a larger institution, and that's just simply not true.
We still are very up to date and very on par with what's going on.
We have the technology everybody else has. We are expanding constantly, building constantly.
We're a community hospital that's going to take the best care of its patients it possibly can.
When I go out into the community and people ask you what you do, I mean, certainly just being a nurse in general gets you a certain kind of, lift in a way. But when I say that I work for Middlesex, it's fun to watch their response, and I almost invariably see a positive light.
I think that Middlesex is really good at identifying what is that really superpower that you're bringing into the mix and helping you grow that in order to become the best version of yourself.
You want to teach, you want to work with babies, you want to work with old people. You can do it all here at Middlesex.
Me looking to continue my education at this point to go back and get my master's, Middlesex has still been really supportive and encouraging me to do that.
So Middlesex Health does a lot out in the community. They sponsor a bunch of different charities helping the community, whether it's the homeless shelters in the area, the food kitchens in the area. We do food drives every month.
And one of the goals that we have lined up is to really get a little bit more involved in the community. So there's going to be a lot of educational opportunities for the community to learn about arthritis and our joint replacement program. So that's something that will be coming in the near future that I am very excited about becoming involved in.
I get excited to come to work every day knowing that I can make an impact and help people.
You are not a number, you're not a nurse. People know your name. You're not just a number, you're a name.
It's nice to not be a number in the crowd.
I think when you know you're working at Middlesex, you're not just a number, you're part of a family, and I think that's incredibly important.
The bottom line is Middlesex is a better place to be.
Check it out and see what Middlesex has to offer. You might be surprised.
If you want to practice in a place where you are respected, where you are valued, where you are empowered to be a professional nurse, Middlesex Health is for you.
Come to Middlesex. It's a great place to work.